How to fix your not up to date but no updates available in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in troubleshooter that can detect and resolve common update-related issues. Running this tool can help fix glitches that cause Windows to display incorrect update status. If that didn't work, sometimes Windows fails to fetch the latest updates automatically. Manually triggering the update process can resolve the issue. Fix 3. Restart the Windows Update services. If the update-related services are stuck, restarting them can help Windows recognize the correct update status. Also, you should set them to run automatically. Corrupt update cache files can cause Windows to misreport its update status. Clearing the cache forces Windows to re-download update information. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can prevent Windows from syncing properly with Microsoft's update servers. Ensuring they are correct can resolve the issue.